Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video, back with another trade recap. Today's Tuesday the 7th. Today I'm going to be explaining how I made $500 trading MNQ on my eval. So yeah, let's get into it. Hit along this morning, New York AM, so that was nice. We'll go 9:30, we'll break it down. Simple rundown. So, first I start on the daily. What do I see? What do I see that what we're doing? Obviously we seem bullish, right? Very obvious bullish, right? We're disrespecting bearish, and now we're respecting bu- disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish. So right, we're bullish, and so we'll narrow it down. We start getting narrow and narrower. Get onto a lower time frame now, and so now I am on the 4 hour, right? Well, what do I see that's significant and that can help me get a good bias or draw on liquidity? Give me a good narrative on where price wants to go next. So what I'm seeing is there's an intermediate lower here, which are really good points of liquidity. So we have one above, have one below, and so price is either gonna go this way. We're gonna take out this, and we could short off this, or go down here. Blah blah blah. So on the 1 hour, see what we see. Oh whoa. I also for this. Looking at this, I'm pretty bullish, right? And so now, let's look on the 1 hour. We still may be bullish, right, on the 1 hour, but from the looks here, it looks like we can probably rebalance the range, right? Because price doesn't just go up; it has to make new points and new like higher highs and higher lows and stuff like that. So we're probably not just gonna run all the way here, right, to this intermediate high. But as we can see, there's a bearish gap, and it looks like it is being respected. So we could maybe short off this, right? And so that would be price rebalancing the range, taking out this intermediate low, and then from there price will move where the next draw is. So I'm expecting that if we retest this, right, we come up in here, and there's also intermediate high, which is a pretty good draw on liquidity pool. So we could probably take this out, and depending on that, if this respects, and we'll be able to price would most likely want to reach this low right here. And there's also intermediate low right here, which we could take note of, right? Because we didn't even hit it yet, so it's still a valid target or objective. Okay, and so now we go to the 15-minute, and it's where I mark out my manipulation. So every day at 9:30, we manipulate either higher or lower. And in this case, if this is also what's it called? I forgot what it's called, but condition. So conditions, right? If we disrespect this 15-minute gap, then I'm gonna start looking for continuation longs, maybe to this low high. And if we respect this, which is what I want to see happen, because we are respecting the 1 hour and respecting the 15-minute, then I could possibly take shorts down to this low and this low right here. So we have our 15-minute marked out. Now we just go on the 1 minute and see what happens. So first 9:30 candle, we open up really high, take out this low. So that's a liquidity sweep right here of this intermediate high and this 15-minute gap and 1 hour gap. And so we manipulate it, and there's also a fair value gap right here. And so if we inverse this, this would be my entry. So then I'm looking for my highest time frame for value gap, and it appears to be the highest one is the 3 minutes. So we'll wait for the 3 minute to get inversed. Okay. Yeah, I entered on this candle actually. I entered like a little bit late, but it doesn't matter. Still hit TP, and wasn't a big deal. So we'll set it up like this. I don't like when this happens because obviously it's gonna be a really big stop, but it is what it is, and that's how I took it. And I hit it 1-to-1. There's 3 micros. Put in 3 micros. Oh, I didn't put a sell limit. 3. And so in this case scenario, how I figure out if I'm gonna add a break even or not is if there's any unfilled fair value gaps or um intermediate highs, lows resting in fair value gaps, because that's when price is most likely to react off them, and then maybe you could, who knows what, gets stopped out. So in this case, we did not have any break evens because as well as even there's a fair value gap right here, it is disrespected. So we don't pay attention to this. And this whole leg down, looking at pressure here, no fair value gaps in the 5 minute. So we're safe, and that gives me enough conviction to say that we're not going to place a break even. And so we'll continue with the trade. Entered on the 3 minute time frame because we entered on the highest time frame inversion. And so it's the 3 minutes highest time frame inversion. Right, all this LRL stacked up. And so we'll play it out. Yep, there we go. And TP hit right here. It was about like a 30-minute trade. So yeah, nice PA. Really good, really decent trade today. Really good trade today. I'm happy I took this trade today. And yeah, it's basically it. I hope you guys had a good trading day today, and I hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.